Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to contact SiteGround's customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a couple of ways to do this. I'll run through the first way. So what we want to do is head on over to SiteGround, their official website. So this is it here, siteground.com. I'm in Australia, so it's going to be AU. If you're in a different region, I might start with something else at the start. So from here, what we need to do is either click on get in touch, or if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we've got contact us. So let's go ahead and click on to contact us. And now for existing clients, log in to your account here, or if you need a new hosting account, you click on start chat. Yes, it does say need a new hosting account, but this is a way to reach customer support. So what we can do is click on start chat here, and now put in your name, email, and question. So I'm going to put in my name, Wiz, and an email. .com. And now I'm going to say I would like to speak to a customer service rep, please. And then I'm going to click on chat now. So now it will say a member of our customer care team will be with you shortly to discuss your inquiry. So here you go here. So someone's reaching out and saying, hi there, welcome to SiteGround, rah, rah. And now just keep saying I would like to speak to customer support, and they'll eventually send you to, or someone from customer support will enter the chat. Another way to reach their customer support is to go to a site called Pissed Consumer. That's correct, pissconsumer.com. So this is a great site to find hard to reach company or websites, emails, phone numbers, etc. So in the search bar at the top, I'm going to put in SiteGround. And now this is, so there's got 456 reviews. Now scroll down here and you've got a couple of different options. So we got reviews, Q&A, and contacts. So go ahead and click onto contacts. And now this is going to bring up the contacts for SiteGround. So here we go. So we've got a toll-free number we can give a call, or you can click on call customer service. They've also got another customer service number here, and they've also got email address. So they've got a couple of different email addresses here where you can reach out to SiteGround.